can see me more clear. Every time if you don't see me clear, let me know, okay?
Yes, please.
And I appreciate your patience. You know what? Let me just do. Are you sure you can see me clear?
Yes.
Okay. Because I want to make sure that I'm answering that question. Okay. So let's go to algebra. We say for algebra, if somebody give us, let's say negative 4k equal to negative 8. We want to find the k. So first and foremost, you're going to look the sign in between. The sign between negative 4 and k is multiplication. Okay, there's no sign. So we are assuming if there's no sign in between, then it should be what? Multiplication. Correct.
Yes.
So we're going to say here there's no sign, means there's an in between negative 4 and k. If there's no sign in between negative 4 and k, in between, you know there's a multiplication here. So how are we going to get k? So we want k, we don't need negative 4. So we're going to divide by negative 4, we're going to divide by negative 4. This and this cancel. So k equal, now 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Negative and negative is going to give us plus, so plus 2. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's take more example. So we say, for example, somebody give us negative 3t plus 7 equal to, let's say, negative 7t minus 5. Let's say solve the value of t. So for us to solve the value of t phase, we're going to have to separate, okay? We're going to look our equal sign. Where's our equal sign? Our equal sign is here. Is our equal sign, correct?
Yes.
So we're going to separate. The letter must be to one side, and the numbers must be on opposite side. We cannot put them together.
Yes.
Right. So we're going to say, let me put my t on the left. So this is my equal sign. I'm going to write my equal sign. On the left-hand side, I'm going to put all my t on the left. Or 8. So we have a negative 3t here on the left. So I'm going to take this 7t, since it has a t. You see, these are like 10t and with a t. So it must come over equal sign. But this is negative 7t. Once the jump over, it's going to become what? Plus 7t. On the right-hand side, we left with negative 5 because we look at the sign of the number on the left. So this negative 5. Now we're going to take this 7, it must jump equal sign, it must go to the other side. But remember, this is positive. Once it jumps this equal sign, it's going to
becomes negative.
Now we go. So these are like 10 here. Negative 3t and this 7t, they're both like 10.
Yes, I can't see the board there.
Oh, you cannot see the board. Okay, let me just do this. Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So we have a negative 3t and 7t. So we can add them together. You know why? Because these are like 10. You see here, why I did not add them together? Because this has a t and this one did not have a t. And I want the like 10 together. So now I have a 3t and 7t. These are like 10. And since they're like 10, I can put them together. Okay? So I'm going to say negative 3 plus 7. Don't worry about t because both of them, they have a t. So it's, this time is saying negative 3 plus 7. These signs are different, Tamika. And if these signs are different, we have to minus, bigger minus small. So we're going to say 7 minus 3 equal to 4.
Yes.
The sign of a bigger number, what is a bigger number? Our bigger number is 7.
Yes.
And the sign of 7 is plus, because we look at the left of 7, which is plus, so it's positive 4. So all this stuff is going to give us what? Positive 1. So this has a t, so I still have my t. 4. Now, I want Tamika to help me to solve this part here on the right-hand side. If she do remember, but if she doesn't, and then I'm going to remind her. Tamika forgot.
I think I forgot, yes, but let me just see.
No problem.
we leave the signs.
No, we don't leave the sign. We only do it if it's multiplication or division.
So then do
Look at our sign.
we look at our signs? Do we
Are they, are
do
they,
it the same? If it's the same, it's
yes.
a positive.
Okay.
So does it mean that it's 5 plus 7?
Yes, which is going to give us 12. I agree. And the sign of bigger number is
Negative. So we're going to take the sign of the bigger number and put
yes. So remember that. So you could have only done that if it was multiplication division. For example, if it was -5 times -7, then I could have done like what you said at first. I could have said leave my sign and say 5 times 7 equal to 35. Okay, and then I could have said, well, these signs are the same. If they're the same, then you just say plus.
yes.
But if it's plus or minus here in between, then we cannot do that, okay? Can't do that. For example, if this was negative, let's assume. And then I could have said, negative and negative is going to give us what? Okay, positive. And this is 7 here. I'm going to say my 7. And this is -5. I'm going to write my -5. Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
And then we say, well, I will have to look my sign again. Plus and minus. And plus and minus, this sign are different. And if the difference means I have to subtract. Bigger minus smaller. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. 7 and 5, which is the bigger number? 7 is bigger number. So the sign of 7 is plus. Because you look on the left always. Okay? So positive 2. So
Yes.
only leave the sign if it's multiplication or division. Okay? So we're here, Tamika. So since we're here, we want to get the value of t. How are we going to get t? We need t, we don't need positive 4. What is the sign between positive 4 and t?
Multiplication.
It's multiplication. So if it's multiplication, what we do? We divide.
Yes.
So we're going to divide by what we don't need. What do we don't need? We don't need negative, positive 4. So divide by 4, divide by 4, positive. Even if you don't write positive 4, because if you don't write the sign, we assume it's positive. So this and this cancel. So our t equal, why is canceling? Because these are like 10. So they cancel. So we're going to be left only with t. So minus 12 divided by 4. Tell me how we're going to do it.
I can't see the board. Can you please just move down a bit?
Okay, I see what you mean.
Can you please explain again?
Okay. Should I start from here or only here?
From the 12.
From the 12. So we have a -12 divided by 4. But there's no sign here, so we assume which sign is here in the 4?
Excuse me?
We don't have no sign here on the 4. So if there's no sign, which sign do we assume
A positive.
is positive? Wow. And then what we do after?
Then we are going to look. So we are dividing them. Then we are going to look at the signs and see if they are the same.
Or difference. Are they the same or the difference?
Yes. And they are different, meaning it is going to be a negative.
And then 12 divided by 4 equal to?
3.
So what of t equal to -3?
3. Yes.
I can say it again to make we need more examples so I can refresh your mind. Because it seems like you had a lot of time with your friends, so
I just quickly want to go fetch my pen in the lounge.
Go fetch your pen and then you come back and then we're gonna continue. Okay, Tamika? Okay. You want some help? Okay, let me come and help you. I'm just waiting for Tamika to come back. Can you use that? Okay? What you want to do, Sam?
I wanted to open the PDF.
Which PDF?
The study guide for you.
You want to send it to you? Send to your WhatsApp. Send to me. Send to me.
Via
Send
WhatsApp?
Yes, send WhatsApp. Then quick. Only one, and then another one. Sure, just send one. No, sure, send to my WhatsApp. Because we will. I'm coming to make it, right?
Okay.
Okay, press that. So what's that way? No. Press that. Press that, this press. You say to me? I'm coming to second to make it.
Okay.
Okay, download this. Download, click and then download. Okay, download it. The second one. So this one is already downloaded. Okay, go to down. You know how to go from there. Download. Okay, this one. Okay, just click again, refresh. Okay, other one is not yet. So you know how to do it. WhatsApp me and then you can come to WhatsApp. Okay. So Mika, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, seems like it's bloody, but I should be fine very, very soon. And apologize. Oh, why is done this? Okay, cool. Let's take more example. So let's take more example, right?
Yes.
This is somebody give you. Let's say you are given to me now. Negative 1/5. Let's say 1/5k. Negative k/5. Plus 6. Plus k. Plus 4k, let's say. So okay, negative 8k plus, let's say minus 12. Okay, Tamika?
Yes.
Tamika?
Yes.
I don't know which calculator you're using. Can you take a picture and then show me? I want to see your calculator.
Okay.
Yeah, so that because there's something I want you to do. Let me see. Grab my phone, please. My phone. Okay, give me both. Okay. Thank you. Okay, WhatsApp me your calculator. I want to see your calculator, please. There's something I want us to do, but I need to make sure that your calculator user. I don't know why my getting blood and come back. I have to see. Okay, I'll receive your message. I'm gonna check now. Which calculator you're using? Who bought for you this calculator?
My teacher bought it for me.
But this is not right calculator. Why should she buy you this? This calculator, you can't do anything with this.
Let me just
I will have to talk to your mom, right? Because that one you can't do anything. Most of the stuff you can do. You see, you need a calculator like this. Or there's another one I'm gonna show you, okay? That calculator is gonna make a hell out of your life. I swear. Because of the thing we want to do now, we can do. Okay, you have your phone with you on your hand?
Yes, I do. Let me just quickly speak to my mom.
Okay, get your phone and then I'll tell you what we're gonna do.
Okay.
The calculator is old school. It's not even good. There's a lot of things that you cannot do. For example, you cannot press fractions. You can't.
Okay, I'll be back.
Let me know. Are you using iPhone or using Android?
I'm using iPhone.
Last time I think we did install some calculator of me and you.
Yes, but I lost the app. I don't know where is it anymore.
Okay. So you understand what I'm saying, right? Because the calculator that you have, that's what does not have a fraction.
Yes, I understand. Let me just quickly tell my mom.
But you understand my point, right? Oh, no, you don't have to tell your mom. Get your phone and then we're gonna discuss later, okay? You listen to me, right? That thing we're gonna discuss later about tell mom, tell friends, okay? So now have your phone with you and then I'll tell you what we're gonna do. You're supposed to ask me because that calculator, it doesn't have a fraction. So it can't save your life.
Okay, I have my phone.
Okay, so we're gonna have to install the app again, go to the which again, go to
App Store.
App Store
Mhm.
and then say Casio 991. And then I'm gonna tell you which one. Then show me all that you see one by one. You can open the face one. Casio FX 991. Nine is 991. Which is with my calculator? Sorry to me. Is 991? Yes. Casio
I found the app.
FX.
I found the app that I used last time. I found the app that I used last time.
Okay. Then open that. Because you know what I'm saying? Look, Tamika, right? Your calculator you have, if I ask you, press 1/2 plus 3/4, each one.
Yeah, it's not here.
You see what I'm saying? That's why I say not to say in a negative way is useless, that. Because when you buy a calculator, okay, next time don't buy before you ask me, okay? And then I'm gonna tell you which one to buy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, because this one is like your money wasted. You can't use that. Okay, so now, are you in your app already?
Yes, I have the app.
Okay, cool, fantastic. Now let's go here, Tamika. So we say we're gonna put all the like terms together. You agree with me?
Yes.
So what's a like term? This has a K, this has a K, and negative H has a K. We have to put them together. So I'm gonna say my equal sign is here. My equal sign. And then all the K is gonna go to the left. Either way, either you take all the K to the right or all the K to the left. It's still gonna give you the same answer. Okay, so this is K over 5. So we're gonna say there's no number here. Which number is here? 1.
Yes.
Do you remember that?
Yes, I remember that.
So here the first one is gonna be negative 1/5K. Where's my other K? Plus 5K.
Yes, plus 5K.
Because we look the sign on the left. Plus 5K. But hey, Hamish, why are you not changing this to become negative? We don't change it to become negative because
it's still next to the equal sign.
Yes,
still on the left side.
It didn't jump equal sign, so that's why it stayed the same how it is.
Yes.
So this will be plus 5K. Now we're gonna have to take negative 8K over. It's gonna jump, and then how it's gonna become?
Since it's jumping the equal sign, we are gonna say it becomes a positive 8K.
Positive. Thank you, Tamika. Very good. Oh, now we're gonna go here. Now what we're gonna do here? Now we're gonna write numbers.
Yes.
Which number we have? We'll write what we have first. We have what?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Thank you, Tamika. And then here, this number must jump equal sign. And how it's gonna become?
It's gonna become negative 6 because we're jumping the equal
Negative
sign.
6. Because it's positive 6. So now we have separate numbers and letters. So what we left with is to put these together. So now we're gonna use your app, okay? Not the calculator you have because no one has said you. So you're gonna say negative 5 over negative 1/5 plus 5 plus 8. Don't worry about the case because both or all of them they have a case, okay? So negative 1/5 plus 5 plus 8. And then give me the answer.
So we're gonna say, what are we gonna say?
Okay, we're gonna plug what we see here, except the case. Okay?
Yes.
So we're gonna say you use example page, that one right there. That one right there? Underneath.
We're gonna say
No. It's okay. Okay? Use that book. It's fine, use the same book. Uh-huh. Tamika, I'm listening.
We're gonna say negative 5.
No.
I mean negative 1/5.
Yes.
Plus
5
plus 8.
Nelly.
The answer for that is 64/5, but then also
Mm-hmm.
we have the simplified answer, which is 12.8.
This one?
12.8.
Again? Mm-hmm.
Excuse me?
This is going to be what?
So I said -1/5
Yes.
plus 5 plus 8.
And what did you get?
Let me just redo it because I lost the answer.
It's here? Okay. Keep
-1
going. Nelly?
5 plus 5 plus 8. The answer in the calculator that I got is 64/5, and then the simplified answer is 12.8.
Okay. Okay, fantastic. So what is the answer?
64/5,
Okay.
and
In
the
decimal?
in decimal fraction it is 12.8.
12.8. Very good. But this has a K, so we're going to write a what? K equal. Now we go that side. We don't need calculator this side. I want you to do. Tell me how we're going to do it.
So for that we are going to look at the signs, if they are the same or if they are different. And the signs that are here, they are the same. So if it's the same, it becomes a positive. So that is going to be 12 plus 6.
Which is 18.
Which is 18. And then we are going to look at the sign on the left side of the biggest number, which is negative. So the answer for that is going to be -18.
My God, you explain so good. Like, I cannot even explain how you explain. Come on, Tamika. You're doing great. I'm very impressed. So now what you going to do here then after?
What are we going to do there?
What do we need? Maybe you can ask yourself right there. What do we need?
What do we need? We need the K.
Thank you. We need the K.
Yes.
So if we need the K, what we don't need?
We don't need the number next to the K.
Thank you. So every time when you get confused, Tamika, you say, what do I need right now? And what that I don't need. So I need K. And what I don't need?
The number next to the K.
Number next to the K, which is
12.8.
12.8. So since there's a multiplication here, what we're going to say? We're going to divide by 12.8. Divide by 12.8. This and this cancel because it's like term or same means 1, 1, and K equal. So you can plug that in the calculator.
Okay. -18 divided by 12.8. Do you want it in a fraction or decimal?
Give us both.
Okay, so for the fraction, it is -45/32.
5 over
32.
over 32. But now let's put in decimal now, say. Okay.
And the decimal is
equal to
-1.4.
-1.4. Only 4. All these extra numbers.
0.625.
Okay, 0. So we cannot start from there, right? You always put in two decimal places, right? So you say what? -1.4, and then what?
0.625.
0.62. Okay, so now let me show you how to do approximation. Okay, how to round off. Okay.
You need to just put the 5.
So for round off, oh, there's a 5 here, right?
Yes.
Let me show you how to round off, right? Okay, to round off, let's say somebody give you, right? I'm going to show you how to round off. If let's say your answer is 4.1582. Let's assume this is your final answer. Okay. Let's just assume, let's say this is your final answer. Let's assume, let's consider, let's say you did your stuff and this is your final answer. Let's say this, or this what we got.
Yes.
Okay, no problem, don't worry about it. Let's say you have a number like this. And yes. They tell you, hey, Tamika, round off this decimal places. How did I say two? Two decimal?
Two decimal places.
So you call this my decimal. They say 2 means it's like 1, 2 here. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
2. And then what you do, you look the number next to, you see this, say 2 decimal places means 1, 2 here.
Yes.
So you look this number here after the line. If this number, if it's 5 or more than 5, only if it's 5 or more than 5, oh, let me just
lower
do this.
number up.
So.
If it's more than 5, we move a number up.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I hear you, but too slow. I think you fire or from a microphone or you try from your computer.
Can you hear me now?
Now it's clear, yes. So if this number is 5 or more than 5, it's going
We
to
change the number to a number higher, to 6. Yes.
So answer is 4.1.
6.
So let's assume they say in
The answer is the answer not 4.16?
Yeah, 4.16. If they say change it to 3 decimal place, so 3 decimal place means my line is going to be here.
Yes. Even. Hello? Yes. Yes, can